Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Renee Mar. Yeah, Renee Mar.
Hey Beat and Bombays, Grenade Mar here. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to snatch a nose, okay? So pull out your glitter and your highlighter. Let's jump into it. That ain't it. That ain't it. That one just hit my lash. That one just hit my lash. Hold on. You would think that my confettiing skills would be a lot better. Alright, so thus far I have my full face on, my eyeshadow on. Really, the only thing that I need to do is, at this point, go ahead and contour my nose, as well as add some setting powder and some setting spray to set it. I've actually been using the matte book a lot lately to contour my nose with. That they have, they're like really soft. So I use these two colors to contour my nose because of, you know, my skin tone. But they do have some options for darker colors as well. So yeah, you just have to play around and figure out what you need. So we're gonna start with this color. And again, this is the Crayon Cases. This is the Crayon Cases matte book. And yes, I am a crayon cutie. Look, in order for me to contour my nose today, I'm going to be using MAC's 234 and MAC's 235 SE. This color and MAC's 234. Oh, I've already hit bottom. I haven't even been using this a lot. No, you should have gave us some more brown, girl. Let's start kind of towards the lower part of my brow with this lighter color. And I'm going to slowly tread down the side of my nose. I'm going to do that on both sides. Now this does not have to be super tight. You don't want it to be. But you, also by the way, I only got one side of my brush with product. The other side doesn't have product on it. So only one side of my brush has product. The other side does not have product. And I'm just going to swoop down the side of my nose. Clean, shadowy feel. And I want to try to use all the product. I'm going down here. I'm going to cover this with product. Go a little bit around my nostrils. Give it a little tint. Just a little bit. Right? You see it already. It's not even. Go with a little bit of product. Just a little bit. Okay, and I did kind of like a triangle shape when I was cleaning it up. Okay, I'm going in with this color. I'm going to go closer and with a darker color to give it definition. Now I'm going to define it a little down here and go around a little bit down over here and go around it here. So now I'm about to put some setting powder on there and actually set it into my skin. So now I'm dusting it off. This is without glitter. This is also without highlighter. So we're about to add some highlighter on there. Now we are about to add glitter. Fluffy brushes always leave the best glitter residue. Oh my god. I like to give my nose an extra point. Thanks for tuning in to another bomb video. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday. I'll also be throwing bomb beauty tips on my social media at grenade_mar. We see you, girl, and I'll see you next video. May your day be as bomb as you are. Bye.